In this video, we are going to see that if you are trying to update Windows and it shows you this error that we couldn't install this update, but you can try again, and the error code is 0x80888002. So here are some of the quick solutions that might work for you, and without further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, what I recommend you to restart your PC or restart your computer, because it refreshes everything, and after that just try running the Windows update, see if that works. But if you are still having issue, what you can do is just open up the start menu and just right here services, open this up and search for background intelligence transfer service. Just double click on it, and the startup type should be set to automatic or automatic delayed start. So we will move to automatic, and as you can see, service status is stopped. You want to turn this on, click on start. If it is already running, what you need to do is just refresh that by simply clicking on stop and start again. Afterwards, click apply and OK, close out of here. And one more thing, just close that. You want to head over to the services again. And after that, we will scroll down, press W. This will take you to the Windows update section. And it's very easy to find any kind of function because it is perfectly arranged in the alphabetical sequence. So here is one, Windows update. Just double click on that. Startup type, set it to automatic, click on start, click on apply, click OK, close out of here. And then the second thing that you can do is search for the troubleshoot settings. Just go ahead and click that. Because this is Windows default troubleshooter, it will show you a couple of solutions that might work for you. So click on other troubleshooters, click on Windows update, click on run, and it will detect the problems and will come across different solutions. You need to follow each of them, and hopefully after that, after running this troubleshooter, your problem should be resolved. And after that, what else we can do is just open up the start menu, and we need to write here CMD, right click, run as administrator, click yes. If it asks, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click yes. And I'll just zoom it a little bit so that you can see everything clearly on the screen. We just have to write here SFC space / scan now. Scan now should be one word without any space. So you have to write in exactly the same way. Hit enter and it will begin the system scan. This process will take some time. Begin verification phase of the system scan. So verification is started. It is completed 3%. And we just have to wait until it completes it fully. So once the verification is complete, it will either resolve and show you the error update, or it will show you that Windows Resource Protection did not find any integrity violations. So that is a good thing. After that, just close out of here, and we need to restart our computer once to make all of this effective. And after that, you can just try running that application or that update, whatever you were doing again, and you should face no problem in accessing that. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, just comment down below if that works for you. If this doesn't work, what works for you? Just remember to mention in comments so that it can help all the community out here, because we are in this together, so we have to help each other to resolve this problem. And with this said, this is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.